So I live in Thailand, and in the Thai language, they have a sound that's basically the same as the W sound. Woo. So in Thailand, we don't really have a problem pronouncing the W sound. But I know in some languages, you do not have a W sound. So I'm going to show you how to make the W sound. Even though this is one sound that I don't really have a lot of experience teaching, but I will show you what my idea for the W sound is. So basically, you just use your voice. Just start with and then you move your mouth. So your mouth will look like this. And that's the W sound. For example, would you like some water? Would, water. Would you like some water?